Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and today was that messy type of day. I got a trade from Crafted Deidra, and I thought I was recording all the time I was doing a video, and only to discover I wasn't. So this is her beautiful ATC card. It's always seemed impossible until it's gone. Nelson Mandela. I like how she puts the person who says it. So that's her ATC. And I did her page, so this is her page. I'm sorry, Deidra, I didn't do it on camera. But I got this lovely card. I like this, says hello, hello, hello. And then she wrote me a nice little note. And then I got all this little washi tape and emoji stickers and a rainbow. And then a unicorn and this lady. And this is our stamps off the envelope. But I like it says, to live a creative life, we must lose our fears of being wrong. Joseph Chilton Pierce. Pierce. But she sends these affirmation cards. This is the second one I got from her. I like these. And this one says, today I am brave. Today I will step up to every challenge with courage. Awesome. Love it. Oh, that's my paper clip. Oh, it's right there. So I paper clip it in her card. Like if you go back here, let's see. We've been doing this since January. Oops. Okay. There it is. See, I got her first one. So there's cool. I love getting and doing the pages. So this is what it looks like all done. Thank you again, Deidra. I hope you enjoy yours that you get for February. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.